Hello and welcome to Hybiz News. This is Chaitanya Mudam. Threads platform M1 Exchange raises fundings from BNext and Mayfield. BNext Asia, Singapore and Mayfield have jointly made an investment of USD 4.5 million in the currently equity round in M1 Exchange, largest among the three holders of the trade receivables discounting system Threads licensed by RBI. The round was led by incoming investor BNext from Japan and existing investor Mayfield followed on in this round as well. The utilization of funds by M1 Exchange will be to expand its network across India and emerge as a comprehensive supply chain finance leader. We are very excited to partner with M1 Exchange in this journey. COVID-19 has accelerated digitization of cash, digitization of SME workflow and payments, commerce penetration into their Tier 2 and Tier 3 towns and villages, and B2B payments, to name a few things, said BNext partner Hero Chowdhury. Sandeep Mohindru, CEO of M1 Exchange, believes the pandemic has had a profound effect on supply chains, business and economies. In the last few months, substantial positive movement has been felt for growth in business volumes versus previous quarter, and this is also reflected in surge in volume on M1 Exchange Threads. MSMEs across 352 cities have logged into Threads platform since pandemic time and have discounted invoices at rate of interest ranging between 4.75% PA to 8% PA. 60% of such MSME enterprises are from Tier 3 and Tier 4 cities and are able to take the benefit of this digital revolution. In coming days, this secured marketplace for receivables financing will be integrated with other government digital initiatives. Maple Capital Advisors, a Delhi-based investment banking firm, acted as the financial advisors for the round of funding. Started in 2017 under license from RBI, M1 Exchange has scaled up to discounts invoices worth rupees. M1 Exchange has scaled up discounts invoices worth more than rupees 10,000 crore. Some of their USPs included being a bank agnostic platform with 35 banks on board. M1 Exchange is the only Threads platform wherein the assignments of receivables is done digitally for every transaction in favor of the financing bank. This gives confidence to banks, legal and risk teams for enforceability of Factor Act regulations in the court of law, thereby bringing enhanced participation on the platform. The internal risk and repayment scoring algorithm of M1 Exchange has mitigated risk of fraudulent bills with zero expectations in past 3 years. The number of corporates that are approving invoices of M1 Exchange are by far the largest amongst all the exchange and giving on opportunities to MSMEs to discount their invoices of multiple buyers. M1 Exchange is an RBI approved Threads platform. Threads is an institutional mechanism set up in order to facilitate the financing of trade receivables of MSMEs from corporate buyers through multiple financiers. Thank you for watching Hybiz News.